Hey creators, if you are using the Sony A7C II and wondering why your frame is so tight when shooting at 50 or 60 frames per second, you're not alone. And that's the dreaded crop factor kicking in. But don't worry, in these videos, I'm breaking down the best wide angle lenses that are going to be solving the problem. Whether you're vlogging, filming handheld, doing slow motions at 50 or 60 frames per second. So here's the deal. When you're shooting at 60 or 50 frames per second with the Sony A7C II, the Sony A7C II is going to be applying 1.5 times crop factors. And this is going to be turning your 24mm lenses into 36mm lenses. Worst case scenario, if you already zoomed in, if you plug in the test space, that's gonna be hurting your composition really, which is not ideal, right? So I'm gonna give you guys the solutions. All you gotta do is to grab acquire wide angle lenses. These wide angle lenses gotta be full frame compatible, 20mm lenses and below. So that's gonna be cool. You're gonna be able to be good about it in your slow motions without having to worry about being cropped. Good in autofocus and low in distortion. You don't wanna be good in about getting lenses that are gonna be giving you too much of distortion on your face or maybe around the corners, right? So, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a list of lenses, and honestly, I'm not using them. I don't have them at all. I'm shooting on the 50mm. In the future, I'm going to be acquiring one of them. So these lenses are going to be though from different brands that can go about purchasing to overcome the problem, right? So let's deep dive into my best 5 picks, right? The first one got to be Sony 16 to 35mm f2.8 G Master. It is sharp across the frame, great autofocus, and excellent for handheld videos. It's pricey, but if you want one lens that do it all, this is it. And the second one gotta be Tamron 17 to 28mm f2.8 RXD. Lighter, more affordable, and still deliver excellent quality. This one's favorable for travel, vloggers, and hybrid shooters. Lens number 3, Sigma 14 to 24mm f2.8 DGD and arts. Ultra sharp and great for wide shots that feel cinematic. If you shoot real estate, landscape, or you want ultra wide slow motions, this one delivers, right? Lens number 4, Viltrox 16mm f1.8. It is budget friendly but surprisingly sharp. The fast f1.8 aperture is great for low lights or depth of fields in vloggings, right? Lens number 5, Sony 14mm f1.8 G Master. If you want that dramatic wide looks with top tier optic, this primes is more fast and powerful, right? Budget wise, if you want to keep it under budget, check out the Tamron 20mm f2.8 or Samyang 24mm f2.8. Tiny, perfect for casual vlogging with minimal distortion, which is kind of cool, right? And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, like the way I guys in here. And this is gotta be the perfect look of wider angle lenses. So if you are using the Sony A7C II and you do want to do slow motions, handheld your camera and go about vlogging, wider angle lenses are essential. You need to acquire them.